Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create an image gallery using Google Drive files. Here you can see I have some images here, and now I want to create an image gallery in WordPress website using Google Drive files. So first of all we need to go in plugins and install a new plugin. Here you can search for Google Drive and you can find out different plugins. So you can try this one, file manager for Google Drive, and within one click you can easily integrate Google Drive with WordPress website. So simply you can go and you can click here connect account. So I already connected my account. After that, now let's go and click on file browser. Now here you can see these are all the files available. So now let me go and click on module builder. Click on add new module, and here you can see this one. Click on gallery, scroll down, and now you can see all of the images here. So let me select these 4 images and then click on save changes. Then you can click on embed and copy shortcode. Now you can scroll up and go to any page. You can create a new page. Let's give a name gallery, and then here you can add that shortcode and click on publish button. Now let's view this page. Now here you can see we created a gallery from Google Drive images.